Why is digital marketing often hailed as the golden ticket in the freelancing world? Welcome to our exploration of the intriguing crossroads where freelancing meets digital marketing. Dive into the world of digital marketing and freelancing, a sphere that thrives on strategic planning, creativity, and a dash of wit. Picture this: a freelance graphic designer, we'll call him Adam, who specializes in creating visually stunning logos. A master of his craft, yet struggling to find a steady stream of clients. Then, he stumbles upon the powerful tools of digital marketing. Adam decides to revamp his online portfolio, optimizing it with targeted keywords that potential clients might use when searching for a graphic designer. He leverages social media platforms to showcase his work, connecting with both potential clients and fellow designers. In addition, he starts a blog, sharing his insights about graphic design, thus positioning himself as an authority in his field. Fast forward 6 months, and Adam's client base has tripled. His website traffic has skyrocketed, his social media engagement has soared, and he's become a recognized name in the online design community. That, my friends, is the power of digital marketing and freelancing. Now, let's turn our attention to another case study. Meet Bella, a freelance content writer. Bella has a knack for writing engaging content, but struggles to land long-term contracts. She discovers the potential of email marketing, a key player in the digital marketing arena. Bella creates a monthly newsletter offering valuable content to her subscribers. She uses this platform to subtly promote her services, offering exclusive discounts to her subscribers. Before long, Bella's client retention rate increases significantly. She's not just securing more contracts, but she's building lasting relationships with her clients. These real-life examples underscore the transformative power of digital marketing in the freelancing world. It's not just about promoting your services, it's about building your brand, connecting with your audience, and establishing yourself as an authority in your field. To summarize, digital marketing is an invaluable tool for freelancers. It helps to increase visibility, attract prospective clients, and build lasting relationships. It allows freelancers to position themselves as authorities in their field, boosting their credibility and attracting more business. So, whether you're a freelance designer like Adam or a content writer like Bella, digital marketing can be the game changer you need. It's a dynamic and versatile field that adapts to your needs, helping you reach your freelancing goals. Remember, in the digital age, it's not just about what you do, it's about how you present it to the world, and digital marketing is your stage. It's time to step into the spotlight and let your freelancing career shine. That concludes our journey today. We've explored the importance of digital marketing in freelancing and seen how it can transform a freelancer's career. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, your freelancing success is just a digital marketing strategy away.